All right, here's the first step of working with the CSV module within Python. As you know, we need to import the CSV module before we can start getting access to all of its goodies. So my first step, I'm going to import it. So I've got a new file open here, and right away, I'm just going to import the CSV module. So I'll say import CSV. All right. Now, what does that give us access to? Well, that gives us access to a whole lot. You might recall in an earlier lecture, we were talking about modules and how you can import them in, but you can get out to the website. You can get out to python.org and you can go look up all of this information right there about each of these built-in modules. So if I do this, if I say print CSV, let's go ahead and save this. We'll just call it CSV. What am I going to be doing first? I'm going to be reading, so we'll see. CSV reader. All right, let me go ahead and run that, just F5. All right, so it's a module CSV from this location. That's the directory on the local computer I'm working with here. So I've got access to it. Great. Let's print out something else here. So let's say we're going to print out the dir of the CSV. Remember this one? Another keyword we talked about earlier. I'll F5. All right, and these are all the goodies that are included inside of the CSV module. So inside of there, you can see that we've got some functions. There's one in there called reader. Let's see, we've also got the writer. It's kind of split on my screen there. But we've got a couple of very important functions that are built into the CSV module. So the first one that we're going to take advantage of here is going to be the reader. Okay, but first, even before we do that, let's get this imported in. Let's import the CSV module and test it out. Try and make sure it's there. Print out the directory or the dir keyword there for the CSV. Try it out. See what you get. Get comfortable with that one, because next we're going to take a look at utilizing the reader function.